name and tell me about the bus. What's your name?
My name's Dennis.
And you're from?
The Netherlands, Rotterdam area.
Rotterdam. And what year is your bus?
1970.
1970, and it's a heavily modified bus.
Heavily modified early bay. Yeah.
Tell me some of the stuff that you've done to it.
Power steering, power brakes, ladder dash, BMW steering, altered gearbox,
Suspension.
Adjustable front axle, both tubes, Porsche 944 turbo brakes, early six Fuchs all around original.
Oh, they fit?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, with the CSP drums in the back, 5x130.
Nice.
And then custom interior.
Yeah, it's a super nice bus. Let's check it out. I like it. It's got a leather wrap dash. Look at the door bolsters. But it's a little more plush than the catastrophe shuts.
Yeah, a normal bus doesn't have a couple.
No, no, it doesn't.
That was missing.
Yeah, this thing is nice. Looking good. It's got the BMW steering wheel. Open this. Let's take a look at the.
There's a lot of crap in here.
Yeah, look at this. That is a cool interior right there.
It's so luxurious after sitting in these bloody things.
It is. It is. It's nice. Now tell me about the motor you got in this thing.
It's a 1641.
And what kind of carburetors are on there?
The Theo Decker tuning, the Solex, I believe the 34
Now,
CIs.
did you relocate your battery?
Yeah,
Where's the battery under the seat?
on the seats. Yeah.
Nice.
I got a breather box in the corner there.
And why'd you pick a 1641 for this?
Because I had it laying around.
That was it. That's the reason. So 1641. Tell me about the carburetors he has on here are special tuned carburetors.
Yeah.
What does he do to these carburetors? Are they factory Solexes, but he modifies them?
Factory Solex, I believe. And then different Venturis or stuff, or the squeers.
The squirters.
Injectors, yeah.
So everything's modified on these. How much horsepower is on this thing?
65, 70.
So it moves good on the highway.
Yeah.
Everything.
Yeah.
Now what's with the deck lid?
Yeah, one of my test projects.
So you did this yourself?
Yeah.
And you hand formed all the pieces, all that?
Yeah.
The scoops? That's a lot of work.
Gonna restore my 64 ragtop next year.
Nice.
And this was a test lid because it's 65, 66.
Yeah.
I didn't want to fuck up my 64 hood.
Right. So you figured practice on this one.
It came out nice.
Yeah, it looks good. Yeah. That looks good. So it's all hand formed, the scoops and everything?
Yeah.
I wonder if you've done testing with or without the deck lid with the scoops.
For?
Yeah, for temperature, if it makes a difference.
No, I haven't.
Should be
just looks.
Interesting. And he's got a Rusty Lee's rock and roll bed in this thing. So this is a nice bus. It's a 1970, right?
Yeah.
And the front brakes fit on a 15-inch wheel? Really? The turbo 944?
Yeah.
Wow. I know that I have the turbo 944 on my double cabin. They are big rotors, like 13-inch rotors almost.
Okay.
No, that stopped.
So it's Porsche. Those are real Fuchs?
Yeah.
Deep sixes all the way around?
All around. Yeah.
Nice.
Stamped 96, 1970.
That's a super clean bus, Dennis. I like it. Very cool.